Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix RAVEN2 app not working, not opening, not starting on Android. So without wasting your time, here follow the fixes. The first fix is to simply restart your Android device. So just restart your Android device and then launch the RAVEN2 app and check if your problem is solved or not. Second solution is to check for RAVEN2 app update. So open Play Store, tap on search for RAVEN2 and tap on it. And if you find any update available for this app, then update it and then launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Third solution is to check for internet connections. So check and make sure that your internet is working properly. If you are connected to Wi-Fi, then switch to mobile data and then check. If you are connected to mobile data, then switch to Wi-Fi and then launch the game and check. If possible, then try to connect to different Wi-Fi or mobile data via hotspot and then check RAVEN2 is working or not. Fix 4 is to force stop or force close RAVEN2 app. So tap and hold the RAVEN2 app icon, then click on app info, then click on force stop and confirm it, and then launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. If not, then clear the RAVEN2 app cache as well. So again tap and hold RAVEN2 app icon, then click on app info, then click on storage usage, then click on clear cache and confirm it, then click on clear data and confirm it, and then launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Next solution is to connect to a VPN. So open Play Store, tap on search for VPN and search for it, and then you can install any VPN of your choice from Play Store, such as Turbo VPN, Proton VPN, NordVPN, Surfshark VPN, Octohide VPN. So you can install any VPN of your choice from the Play Store, then launch the VPN app and connect to a different location than your current location, and then you can launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. If you are already connected to a VPN, then disconnect it and then launch the game and check. If still your problem is not solved, then the last solution is to simply uninstall and reinstall RAVEN2 app. So tap and hold the RAVEN2 app icon, then click on uninstall and then confirm it. Then open Play Store, tap on search for RAVEN2 app and tap on it, then reinstall it. And once RAVEN2 app get installed, then you can launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. So by this way you can solve RAVEN2 app not working, not opening, not starting problem on Android phone. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.